which bit of the program did you really
I
like?
love the way you broke down the process of selling, actually teaching our customers why they need to buy, and you gave it language that I haven't used in the past. They're just processes that I've done, and it made it very commercially accessible.
The second question for Maureen is, if you were to talk to other clients, what would you say about this program to them?
If you want to be inspired and challenged by a vastly knowledgeable consultant, Steve Wood's your guy. He will challenge the way you think, perhaps the way you've been doing things for your whole life, in a comfortable but unchallenging enough so it will inspire you to take action and do something about it. You will come away with a lot to think about, and you'll even have homework at the end of the session, which is damn good, because that means I've got to be accountable to me.
Steve Wood, Roaring Success, helping you create your own roaring success.